Hi guys, my name is Shubhang Garodia, Chemistry Master Teacher at Vedantu. Today we are going to talk about JEE Advanced 2019 paper 2 and question number 2nd. Now this is a multi-correct type question, so be a bit careful. Question says the cyanide process of gold extraction involves leaching out gold from its ore using cyanide in the presence of Q to form R. Okay, this is R. Subsequently, R is treated with T. Subsequently, R is treated with T and this converts to gold and a compound is formed. Now, this is a very standard theory, guys. We study it every time we talk about leaching in metallurgy. So as we can clearly see, question solved bhi ho gaya or already. This is compound Z, and this is T, this is R, this is Q. So option A, is it correct? No, option A is not correct. T is zinc. Yes, it is correct. Q is O2. Yes, it is correct. Z is ZnCN4 with a 2 minus. Yes, indeed, it is correct. So the correct answer is B, C, and D. Very simple question based on cyanide process. Why do we use O2 here? We use O2 to oxidize Au gold from 0 to +1 oxidation state. That's it. Now, here guys, there's also one thing that you should remember. If this was not from its native ore, if by chance we were doing this extraction from their sulfide ores, we do use cyanide, but O2 then is used specifically so that the sulfide ion can be oxidized to sulfur precipitate, and then the reaction can be driven much faster. Got it? So the answer is B, C, D. Thank you so much for joining us and stay tuned for our next question.